Hello and welcome to the PassFab channel. If you've forgotten your Samsung phone's unlock password, PIN, or pattern, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, you don't have to throw your phone away. In this video, I'll show you two reliable methods to unlock and regain access to your locked Samsung device without losing data. I want to specifically mention that you may retain your data if you're unlocking older Samsung phones. But for newer Samsung phones, these methods may completely wipe your data. We'll start with the first method, performing a forced factory reset using recovery mode. To begin, power off your Samsung phone, press and hold the volume down and power buttons together until the shutdown menu appears. Once the screen turns off, keep holding the power button, but switch from volume down to volume up. After a few seconds, the Samsung logo will show up. Release all buttons and you'll enter the Android recovery menu. Use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select. Scroll down and choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm. Next, go to Wipe Cache Partition and confirm again. Finally, select Reboot System Now to apply changes. Your Samsung will restart to the setup screen. However, you might encounter Factory Reset Protection (FRP), which asks for your previous Google account or PIN. If you remember any of these login credentials, just sign in and proceed to setup. But if you've also forgotten those details, that's where our second method comes in, using a professional software, PassFab Android Unlock. This tool can bypass Samsung lock screens, passwords, and Google FRP without needing the previous login. Download the software using the link in the description. Install and launch it, then select Remove Google FRP. Choose your phone model, which is Samsung, and the phone Android version. Then click Remove Now. Connect your locked Samsung via USB and let the software detect it. The FRP removal process will begin. Your phone may restart a few times during the process. Once completed, your Samsung will reboot to the setup screen, and you'll be able to skip Google verification entirely. In moments, you'll reach the home screen with full access restored. And that's how you unlock your Samsung phone when you've forgotten your password or PIN. If this guide helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more tech tutorials and solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.